Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine. Students, today let's do some interesting discussion on festival food. Okay, so firstly, I talk about my favorite festival, that is Diwali. It is a festival of lights. It is a festival of lights. On Diwali festival, we like to eat sweets. Now, students, you tell me which is your favorite festival and what is special food for that festival. Okay, but first tell me what is picture showing us? Yes, student. This is of yellow rice. This picture of yellow rice. Okay, tell me on which festival we eat yellow rice? Yes, student, tell me. Yes, yellow rice is special food for Basant Panchami. We also wear yellow clothes on this festival. Okay, students? Now, in this session, we will revise a beautiful rhyme. The title of the rhyme is Jingle Bell. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Oh, in a horse open slide. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open slide. Students, now open your book I Can Beginners book 6 and go to page number 31. Students, on this page, paste a picture of a recent festival you have celebrated like Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, etc. Okay. Now, students, activity time. In this activity, now pick a drawing sheet and draw a Xmas tree with the help of your parents and elders. Okay, like showing on your screen. After that, take some green paper or brown paper, cutting and paste it with the help of glue. Then decorated it. Okay. Do you know, students, when we use this Christmas tree or on which festival the decorate Xmas tree? Yes, on Christmas. On the festival, we get many gifts. Do you know who gives us these gifts? Yes, Santa Claus. Santa Claus came and gave us many gifts. Okay, students? Now, students, we will revise letter Y song. Now, I have a video for you. In this, we will learn letter Y song through My Study Gear app.
Rolly Polly Ball of Yarn. Polly ball of yarn. Out on a yacht. Out on a yacht.
Students, now open your book I Can Beginners book 6 and go to page number 32. Here we have an activity. The activity is meet letter Y. These are starting with letter Y. Students, look at the left side of this page. Here we have written letter Y. Now students, you have to finger trace the letter Y and color it. Look at the page and speak with me. Y is for yak. Yak. Yok. Yo-yo. Yellow. Yacht. Okay, student. Now, students, move to next page. Page number 33. Here we can see some images from which we have to color those the names of which start with letter Y. First look at the all images. Now you can easily find out which are those images the name starts with letter Y. Now students, look at the page. Here we have 5 images. Let's check images one by one. First image is B is for ball. Second is Y is for yo-yo. Third one is Y is for yak. Next is Y is for yacht. And last one is W is for watermelon. So students, now circle the pictures that begin with letter Y. Y is for yo-yo, Y is for yak, and Y is for yacht. Okay, students? Now, students, in this session, we will once again revise the rhyme. The title of the rhyme is 10 in the bed. Let's start with me. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over, and they fell out. There were 9 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over, and they fell out. There were 9 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over, and they fell out. There were 7 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and fell out. There are 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and one fell out. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and they fell out. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and they one fell out. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and one fell out. There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and fell out. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, alone at last. Students, Now I have a video for you related to 1 to 10 counting.
Students, today we will learn numbers from 1 to 10 with the help of this flashcard. Okay, now start with me. Look here, this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6. Number 7. This is number 8. This is number 9. And this is number 10. Okay, now we will once again revise number from with the help of these beads. Okay, 1, there is number 1, 1 bead. Okay, now look here, this is number 2, 1, 2, 2 beads. This is number 3, 1, 2 and 3 beads. Okay, this is number 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 beads. This is number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 5 beads. This is number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 beads for number 6. This is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, this is number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number 8. Now this is number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now this is number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
Now students, again activity. Do you know sometimes many people are flying colorful kites during different festivals like Makar Sankranti, Basant Panchami. Okay, now let's do an activity. Students, pick a drawing sheet and draw a beautiful kite with the help of your parents, like as showing on your mobile screen, and decorate it with dip halves of okra or ladyfingers in watercolors and stamp here to color the kite. Okay, students? Now, students, story time. The story name is Festival. The story name is Festival. I wear a new clothes for Diwali. I eat laddus. Shubh Deepavali. Soni loves to celebrate festivals. She celebrates Diwali distributes sweets. Okay, students. Now I wear new clothes for Christmas. I eat cake. I get gifts. Merry Christmas! Sony celebrated Christmas. She decorates the Christmas tree. Okay, students. Now I wear new clothes for Eid. I eat sevia. Eid Mubarak. Sony celebrates Eid with her family and friends. Now I love all festivals. Sony celebrates and enjoyed all festivals equally. Okay, students, goodbye. Have a nice day.